Hello everyone, I am back with another interesting lesson. Now I am in my beautiful garden. Today I am going to introduce you some garden tools and also you can see the way of using them. Ekelbroom, Ekelbroom. We use Ekelbroom to sweep the garden like this. Hoe, hoe. We use hoe for hoeing the land. Garden fork, garden fork. It is used for loosening, lifting and turning over the soil in gardening. Garden trowel, garden trowel. This tool is used for digging, especially soil or sand. Rake, rake. You can use a rake to make the earth smooth and level or gather leaves together. Wheelbarrow, wheelbarrow. It is used for carrying things, especially in the garden. Shovel, shovel. Shovel is a tool for moving loose materials. Gloves. You can wear gloves and boots when you work in the garden. Boots.